Hey there, traders. It's the week in review, actually, the month in review for September 2024. And I've been excited this week because the stock market's gone up a bit. And I want to be hopeful and think that my portfolio value should be around 40,000. And it hasn't been that much lately. It's gone down to as far as like 32,000, and then last I don't know, in July it was up to 40,885, and right now it went up to as high as almost 40,000, 233 on September 26th, and this week it went as high as 39,778. So I'd love to see this back up above 40,000. Maybe if I keep adding premium to this account and drip my dividends back in, it'll grow up to past 40,000, and the market will go up and it'll go past 40,000. Anyways, this is my week in review for September 29th. It's a Sunday of 2024. And this past week, let's look at my sheet. I had this NVIDIA option due to expire 9/27, and I had collected 154. I did a buy to close on this guy because the value had just gone away, and so I collected almost everything I could. I bought this back for $3, so I netted 151, and I can use that freed cash to go deploy somewhere else. Next trade was this one, line 10, which is a call because I've got 100 shares of NVIDIA, and I had made $33 premium for that, and I must have rolled this because it was the stock price was maybe threatening my strike price. I don't remember, but regardless, I wanted to redo and start doing different trades. So I rolled this, bought it back for $4, and I did a call on the next line down, which is rolled it out to 10.4 and down by 1 to 129. That's in process right now. I collected $41 premium for that. And then I did another NVIDIA cash secured put due to expire 10.4, which is this coming Friday. That's in process and collected $76 there. So with my dividends, I took my spreadsheet from Robinhood and put in all my dividends here. And that total is added to here, which is the total monthly income. So I'm feeling pretty good. It's past my $1,000 goal for the month. I'm ready to start scaling this stuff up and see what I can do. I'm focusing on just like one or two good quality stocks right now. Right now it's been NVIDIA, but that's pretty highly volatile, and I feel like it's a little bit unstable. I might want to switch to IWM or maybe the SPY because they're much more stable. Instead of a single stock, you're trading, an ETF, which has got many stocks in there that if one goes bad, it's not going to drag down the whole thing too much. And they go up over time, so they're a lot more safe. They don't quite make as much in premium, but it's very, very safe, and that's what I want to start switching to. So right now I'm playing with NVIDIA because it's a hot stock, lots of volatility, and there's good premium to be had here. And I'm just letting my AMZ and my NVDY pay me back my dividend, which is me pretty much paying back the NAV erosion once I get to break even. I'm going to probably dump these, and I might look at these other ETFs or some other ones that hold their NAV, because MDDY, AMZY, they're kind of holding their NAV. It's down from where I started, so I'm down, and I'm collecting premium to make that up, break even. But or I'm collecting dividends. I mean, the NAV erodes on these guys, and there's some other kind of stocks. JEPQ is good. XDTE, YDTE, I'm playing with those, and there's some other ones that I'm playing with right now, which I'll have future videos on, that they hold actually the stock, and so the ETF will go along with the stock and not just be a synthetic trade, which means that there's actually value there. So if the stock goes up, there's no NAV erosion because the value of the stock is the underlying, and it holds its value that way instead of being synthetic. Well, there's nothing there. It's just like a placeholder. This is the real stock. Anyways, I'm glad to be past my $1,000 goal for this month. In fact, I've surpassed it quite a bit. And actually, on Monday, if I can squeeze in a trade, I could actually increase this. But I'll probably put that off till next month. So that's it for this week and this month. And hoping to grow this account much more. I used to be putting in like $1,600 a month for my rental, after paying dues and stuff. But I moved the tenant out, so I don't have that income to put into this account, and I haven't added too much to it lately. And I've had to spend a lot to make that place sellable. And I got new carpet, paint, appliances, and I put it on the market. I was hoping to scale this up and have like maybe $300,000 or $285,000 maybe to put into this account and scale this up. So I'm still waiting on that. I'm waiting on a buyer. I had one buyer that fell through. So the market might be really changing right now. The rates have gone down. I was hoping that would be a big influence on bringing out the buyers, but it hasn't turned out to be the case. So that is a huge signal. I think the real estate market's really changed right now. So if I don't sell this thing for a decent amount of price, I don't know. I could be one of those crazy people that think the value of their place is higher than it should be, but I know I can rent it. It's paid free and clear, so I can just rent it out and probably wait for the market to go up to a price where I need it and still make it worthwhile and fund this account. So stay tuned for whether I dump a big sale amount into this account or whether I start doing monthlies again after I rent the place out again. It's going to be a couple months, but for now, I'm pretty happy with making $1,000 a month off this $40,000 account. So anyways, I hope that helps. And if you like this video, sorry, my voice is really bad today. It's been damaged permanently by being in the hospital. But you know what? Fuck it. I'm just going to put myself out there with the bad voice. Anyways, just go ahead and like and subscribe if you like this video, if you learned something, if you want to see something, let me know in the comments, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.